Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the negative aura from our body. So we go to many places like malls, shopping malls, and especially the doctors, right? The doctor's office, and even the doctors and physiotherapist, nurse who handles different patients. Okay, they will handle different patients. So the aura will exchange sometimes. Um, what will happen is the negative aura, traces of negative auras will be there in our hand, like that. Mm. So especially the healers and who are in the medical field, it will be very useful, and others also who are roaming to different places also can do this. This mudra is called as Saybana Mudra. This mudra is useful for removing the negative aura from our hands and our body. So let me show you how to do it. So look at this hand and do like this. Okay, so press the two index finger towards the earth or ground like this, and release all the negative energy. Do like this for 10 minutes morning, 10 minutes evening. So all the negative energy will be released from your body. Look at this. Because when we deal with the people who are sick and especially the medical field, any kind of employees who are in the medical field who's dealing with patients should do this mudra to release the negative energy out of their body. Negative energy in the sense aura. So most of them do not believe in these kind of thing, but trust me, this is all true. So aura is true, and this mudra is very useful for removing the negative traces of negative auras from our body. So do this, who are in medical field, do this every day, morning and evening, after coming from your office. Just do this and it will be very useful for everybody. Like we are so many people are roaming outside, shopping malls, everywhere. Hey guys, so try this mudra and get benefited and remove the negative auras, traces of negative auras from your body. Do this every evening, 10 minutes before going to bed. That will be very good. So try this at your home and let me know your thoughts in comment section. Thank you guys.